car vacuum cleaners available on Aliexpress offer the perfect solution for cleaning the interior of your car. These vacuums are usually compact in design and can easily reach every corner of your car. Available in different brands and models, these vacuums stand out with their powerful suction. They are also very practical to use with different attachments and long cables. In our video, we review the best car vacuum cleaners on Aliexpress and discover their advantages. The Seus A3 Lite is a multi-purpose car vacuum cleaner. With powerful suction, it not only cleans the interior of your car, but also inflates, vacuum compresses, and blows air. This makes the A3 Lite a product that can be considered as a car vacuum cleaner inflator, vacuum compressor, and air blower. The Xiaomi car vacuum cleaner offers a lightweight and portable design with a 4-in-1 suction, blowing, and charging system. It thoroughly removes dust from all gaps and corners of the car. The intelligent variable frequency motor optimizes power by adjusting the motor speed as power is reduced, resulting in 60% more powerful suction and durability. The 3-layer high-density filter element is reusable. The cordless 4-in-1 car vacuum cleaner is lightweight and portable in design with integrated suction, blowing, and extraction features, thoroughly removing dust from various cavities and corners of the car. The cordless 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner offers a 4-in-1 suction, blowing, and charging system in a lightweight and portable design, thoroughly removing dust from all gaps and corners of the car. The 3-layer high-density metal filter element is reusable, ultra-durable battery with long-lasting battery life. Pure copper dual motor increases brushless motor suction by 200%. The next generation DC 8-channel structure offers a quieter cleaning experience with intelligent noise reduction technology and active noise control. Elegant and compact. The 4-in-1 multifunctional car vacuum cleaner combines functions such as dust suction, inflation, lighting, and pressure measurement, combined with a USB rechargeable air pump, tire inflation, fast inflation in 60 seconds, preset tire pressure, automatic inflation and stop function, strong suction power. The suction power can be up to 50,000 PA thanks to the high-speed driven fan impeller. Powerful illumination, ideal for night use. Tire pressure detection, digital display. Blue light background, instant tire pressure display, wear and puncture prevention. The 4-in-1 portable cordless car vacuum cleaner offers a versatile solution by combining features such as LED light, tire pressure gauge, and air pump. The powerful suction power provides ideal performance for wet and dry cleaning. The LED light makes it easy to use, making it practical for cleaning. The LED light makes it easy to use, making it practical for cleaning in dark areas inside the vehicle. The tire pressure gauge makes it easy to check your tires and prolongs tire life by providing accurate pressure. The air pump inflates tires quickly, providing a practical solution for pre-trip and emergency situations. The cordless design is easy to carry and use, equipped with these features. This product offers an ideal solution to meet needs such as in vehicle cleaning and tire maintenance. The cordless handheld car vacuum cleaner stands out with its 1-2 PA suction power and can be used as a 4-in-1 rechargeable and powerful cordless air blower gun. The 4-in-1 wireless car vacuum cleaner stands out with its lightweight and portable design. The new generation DC 8-channel structure offers a quieter cleaning experience with intelligent noise reduction technology and active noise control. There seems to be no specific information about the version introduction, if there is a different version of this product or a special feature. Additional information may be provided. Wireless portable car vacuum cleaner attracts attention with its 4-in-1 functions thanks to its powerful cleaning capability. It perfectly cleans every corner inside the vehicle and is also an ideal helper for home use. The elegant and compact design is easy to transport and offers a convenient structure for storage, extremely practical for use in the car and at home. This vacuum cleaner is an indispensable car accessory. Thank you for taking the time with me for this great vacuum cleaner review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Links to the products will be available in the description and comment section so you can easily access more information and purchase options. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I will be happy to help you. Bye until the next video.